Hello, little stars. Welcome to Fables Box, the magic box full of fun and learning. Let's open the box and see what's inside today.
Hello, little artists! Are you ready to splash some colors? Let's sing and learn colors together. Let's go! Red color splash. Red, red, paint so bright, like an apple, bold and bright. Splash it here, splash it there, red is dancing everywhere. Yellow color splash. Yellow, yellow, sunny and warm, like the sun after a storm. Splash it up, splash it down, yellow shining all around. Blue color splash. Blue, blue, calm and cool, like the water in the pool. Splishy, splashy, 1, 2, 3. Blue is fun for you and me. Green color splash. Green, green, like the trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Splash it left, splash it right. Green makes everything feel right. Purple color splash. Purple, purple, great delight. In the daytime or at night. Swirl and twirl, let's do a spin. Purple's where the fun begins, like bonus colors. White like snow, soft and light. Black like night, dark as night. Every color has its place. Let's paint the world with a happy face. Red and yellow, blue and green. The prettiest colors you've ever seen. Purple, black, and white. Oh my! Let's paint a rainbow in the sky. Great job, little painter. You're a color pro now. Don't forget to splash some fun every day.
Hi, kids. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.